In today's video, this rich guy paid me a lot of money to protect him against the flood. And this is going to be the flood. Yeah, a lot of water. So first of all, I'm going to buy some big truck to put on the front of the house and a big wall. So as you can see here, this is the wall that I just built to protect his house. And secondly, I bought a big truck. And this is a police truck. But I really think this is not enough, so I'm gonna buy another truck. Yep, this is my new truck. So now we have two trucks with a wall. Let's buy something else. And for the next object, I bought an old camper. Yeah, just put it here. Oh, shit. Yeah, just... Perfect, just like that. Thank you. Next, I bought an SUV with a dead guy in there. Yeah, but don't be worried about that. Yeah. Next, I bought a muscle car. Oh. And finally, I bought a mini truck and a police car. And I think now it's complete. We have a lot of vehicle to protect this rich man. Okay, I guess now the flood is ready to come. And I'm ready to protect the rich man over there. This rich man there, chilling with money. Okay, let's go. The flood start in 3, 2, 1, go.
Here we go, money talk.
Here comes the money.